Hey guys, today you're going to be working on coins a little bit. So this is something we did in school, but I thought it would be great to have a review because I feel like we didn't really finish with it. We started working on coins, we were having fun with coins, and then we came to learn at home. So coins are super important in our lives because we use them to anytime we need to buy something. And we had been learning about pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So right here, if you remember from school, I have our magnetic coins. And I'm just going to push this a little bit closer so you can see them better. So I just want you to remember, and actually give us more light over here. I don't know if that helps. There we go. I think that's good. So which coin, if you remember, is worth 1 cent? 1 cent. Who remembers that? So that's a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. So up here, I'll write the word penny. And then remember when we write 1 cent, we write it like this. This is the symbol for cents, the little C with the line through it. So that's 1 cent. Or I could write out the word cent if I wanted to. And even though cent starts with the S sound, it actually starts with a C, not an S. So remember, every coin has two different sides. It has heads and it has tails. So here are your two different sides of your penny. You have Abraham Lincoln on the penny. And the thing that's special about the penny is that it's copper brown. So it's not silver like the rest of your coins. So that makes the penny pretty easy to identify and pretty unique from the other coins. Okay, this light is really bad. I want you guys to be able to see this. I'm trying to fix it a little bit. Not helping. I don't know. I think that's the best I'm going to do. Sorry, guys. All right, so that is your penny, and that is what your penny looks like. It's copper brown. It has Abraham Lincoln. It is worth 1 cent. So if you have two pennies, 1 plus 1, it would be worth 2 cents. All right, now your next coin is called a nickel. Do you remember how much a nickel is worth? Remember, it goes like this. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So 5 cents for a nickel. And your nickel, there's your heads and your tails. That is your nickel. So you have Thomas Jefferson on your nickel. It is silver, and it is the medium-sized of all the silver coins. You have one smaller and one bigger, and your nickel is kind of in between. It's very close to the same size as the penny. All right, so we have penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So your dime is worth 10 cents. Your dime, even though it's worth more than the penny and the nickel, is actually worth more. It's worth 10 cents, but it is your smallest. It's your smallest silver coin. It's your smallest coin at all. So your dime is worth 10 cents. It has Eisenhower on the head side, and then here's your tail side. And it is the smallest of the silver coins, which makes it nice and easy to identify. All right, now our very last one is quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth, who remembers? 25, I am told. So quarters look like this. They are the largest of our 3 silver coins here. They have George Washington on the front and an eagle on the back. This is your heads and your tails of your quarter. They are worth 25 cents. 25 plus 25 is 50. So 2 quarters is 50 cents, and you need 4 quarters to make $1. Okay, if we look at our dimes, if they are 10 cents each, if you have 2 dimes, 10, 20 cents. And your nickels are 5 cents each. So if we have 2 nickels, 5 plus 5 is 10. It would equal 10 cents, the same as a dime. Okay, I hope this helps refresh your brain about what we learned about coins. I think this will be helpful when you go ahead and do your assignment for today in Google Slides. Have fun, guys.